The SKIL TS6307-00 portable Jobsite table saw is a powerful tool equipped with features designed to enhance efficiency and accuracy. One standout feature is the rack and pinion fence rails, ensuring that the fence stays parallel to the blade for fast, smooth, and accurate cuts. This is complemented by the integrated folding stand, providing portability and convenient storage with legs that quickly fold in. The parallel blade alignment feature allows for micro-adjustment of the blade, ensuring it remains parallel to both the rip fence and miter slot. This is crucial for achieving precise and accurate cuts. The 4x4 cutting capacity at 90 degrees and 2 to 47 degrees bevel capacity with positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees, along with a quick release lever, add versatility to the saw's capabilities. The dust port elbow is a thoughtful addition, redirecting dust to a container for easy cleanup, contributing to a cleaner and safer workspace. The saw is powered by a robust 15-amp motor, capable of effortlessly ripping through hardwoods. The integrated foldable legs and the large coated cast aluminum tabletop add to the overall convenience and stability of the tool. The 25.5-inch rip capacity provides ample space for various cutting tasks. Despite its many strengths, some users have identified a few areas for improvement. The plastic table insert is noted as a weakness, being thin and prone to deformation under pressure, affecting the angle of the cut for small pieces. Additionally, users mention the need for manual fence adjustment and highlight limitations in achieving a precise 90-degree adjustment due to the blade design. Despite these minor drawbacks, users appreciate the saw's excellent value, well-designed features, and its ability to handle both soft and hard woods. The inclusion of a sharp carbide blade and the saw's portability make it a valuable tool for small wood shops. However, it's worth noting that some users find the saw to be exceptionally loud during operation. Overall, the SKIL TS6307-00 seems to strike a balance between power, portability, and functionality, making it a reliable choice for job site applications.